This was really amazing. I know that I don't use Pinterest like I should for myself, but I have used Pinterest to find articles, to connect. I brought stuff because of Pinterest. So therefore, what you're saying is very true because I do events. And so I connected to find different things for events. So therefore, if I'm using it and other people are drawing me in, I should be drawing other people in as well. But I just want to share one thing that you said that really stood out to me. I've always heard people say connect to people's pain point, which is so good. But one thing that you said that was different for me was the seasonal pain points. And I never thought about it that way. So thank you for sharing that point. I think that was a really good way to even think about as you're planning your whole year out, that yes, I understand that my customer has pain points, but in different times and seasons or whatever's going on, their pain points do shift. So that was excellent.